I really like how Google Slides provides kiddos with a personalized learning experience. In this slide, I used some linking strategies and some animation to provide an activity for a kid that they could do independently and also be getting some feedback as they go. So let's work out the scenario that kids have gone through the objective for the day and they're sitting down to do some independent work. As they move through this slideshow, it's going to give them some directions. So they're going to fill out or solve this problem in their math notebook and then click their answer below. So let's say a kid got 44. When they click that, it's going to take them here and give them some feedback. So something went wrong, use the forward arrow key to see the problem being solved. Or go ahead and click the video in the bottom left corner for more review. So when they click that video, it's going to take them out to a YouTube video on how to do the order of operations, how to solve some problems. Notice I've used ViewPure, so it's not taking them out to YouTube, which could become a distraction. I've filtered that YouTube URL through ViewPure. So let's say that they wanted to see where they went wrong. If they go ahead and keep clicking the forward arrow key, it's going to go through this problem step by step, and they could then simultaneously look in their math notebook and see where they went wrong in the process. These steps that I put in here in these circles is all just using animation. And when they're done, they're given the option to go to problem 2. So let's say a kiddo got the answer 140. Again, they're going to get the similar message that something went wrong, and they can go ahead and go through the same steps. And if they got 76, they're going to get that immediate feedback that they are correct and given the next step, which is to go to problem 2. So looking at problem 2, same deal. They're going to solve it in their math notebook, click and answer when they're done. Oops, something went wrong. Again, they can click through and see the process being done and where they went wrong. Or they can go get some help, or they can ask the teacher for more help, or head on to problem 3, try it again. For those kiddos that get it right the first time, it's nice to know that they're right and that they can go ahead and move on. So I'm not going to cover the animation in this video. That is in a separate video if you want to go check out how to do these step-by-step processes. But I will show you some of the linking options. So when I create an image or when I create anything that you can click in Google Slides, I can link it out to things. So for example, this 44, you can see it's linked to slide 3 in this presentation. I'm just going to remove the link and show you how that works. So when I click on this box and head to the link, I have 2 options. I can paste a link in that'll take them out to something, or I can click this drop down arrow, slides in this presentation. And then I can choose which slide I want it to go to. So in this circumstance, when the kiddo clicked 44, I wanted it to go to slide 3 to give them some more direction on how to resolve. For 76, it's connected to slide 4, which gives that kiddo that immediate feedback that they are correct, slide 4. So this image in the bottom left corner is just linked to my viewpure.com, so that is going to take the kids out to the video. Similarly, you can link anything in any slide out to a URL anywhere on the web. And lastly, what made this work is that on each page, so when the kids clicked something, it took them to the next slide. I did have the next step after they were done. So it was taking them to problem 2, or if they were correct, it was taking them to problem 2. All done through linking. Again, you can see go to problem 2 is linked to slide 6. Go to problem 2 is linked to slide 6. So playing around with linking can be really fun, and it can help you create some really interactive math lessons or any type of lessons for your kids to engage in.